Step into the allure of Norwich's Pablo Fanque House, where every corner whispers comfort, convenience, and community. Nestled in Norwich's bustling center, Pablo Fanque House beckons with modern studios and luxurious ensuites, each sanctuary adorned with elegant furnishings. Yet that's just the beginning. Life at Pablo Fanque House promises a bounty of amenities: secure bike storage facility, a cinema room to catch the latest flicks, a pool table and table tennis to keep you entertained, and an on-site laundry facility to tackle daily chores. Location? Simply unbeatable. With City College Norwich and University of East Anglia nearby, it's your launchpad to academic success. Tara Thai Bistro, Baby Buddha, Cisco's Pan Asian, and Sushi and Chopsticks are all a short stroll away, catering to your daily cravings. With swift access to bus stops such as Burr Street and Norwich Central Bus Station, exploring this charming city is effortless. Eager to embark on this transformative journey? Secure your spot at amberstudent.com and make Pablo Fanque House your Norwich sanctuary today.